Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C. became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. Crypto assets shall be subject to minimum environmental sustainability standards with respect to their consensus mechanism used for validating transactions before being issued, offered or admitted to trading in the Union. Reads the draft crypto assets that are issued, offered or admitted to trading in the Union. Before please insert the date of entry into force of this regulation, shall set up and maintain a phased rollout plan to ensure compliance with such requirements. In accordance with the conditions and criteria referred to in paragraph 3 draft added will the bill be adopted by the EU. Patrick Hansen has suggested that since it is a last-minute addition to the bill, the members can vote in its favor. However, he also expects that it will be dropped in the future in the upcoming trilogue negotiations. 22 Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. According to a report by Bloomberg on 23 March, Thailand Regulatory Board issued rules to ban digital assets for payment of goods and services. This new development will come into play at the start of next month. In a joint press release, the Thailand Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) and the Bank of Thailand (BOT) said, business operators including crypto exchanges must not provide such payment services and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the Thai bot would increase the cost of economic activities. The rising crypto adoption, indeed, met a major obstacle here in the region. As of April 1, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. At the same time, it reduced the efficiency of monetary policy transmission. Cryptocurrency operators should halt advertising, soliciting or establishing a system to facilitate payment of the same. Instead, they must warn clients against the use of digital assets for payments. The new regulations even went to the extent to threaten cancellation of accounts if found guilty of breaching these rules. This move falls in line with regulators' concerns that digital assets pose. It could impact the country's financial stability and the overall economy. Has it been a good ride? The timing of the developments above is an interesting one. Significantly, just starting this month, Thai's Finance Ministry Cabinet relaxed the tax burdens of Thailand's been under regulatory scanner for over a year now, with several crypto firms getting a security violation notice from respective state regulators. Gemini and Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The second news here's why the SEC keeps rejecting spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Crypto investors still hope that the SEC will approve a spot-based BTC ETF one day, but data shows it has good reason not to. It is not the first time the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) rejected proposals for a Bitcoin spot exchange-traded product (ETP), but efforts continue to be made by different financial institutions. The recent attempt made by BZX Exchange on Jan. 25 to list the Fidelity Y, Gemini and Celsius offered lending products that came under U.S. Securities and Exchange (SEC) investigation in January, while BlockFi was slapped with a $100 million penalty for offering unregistered crypto lending products in February. The second news here's the UAE's neutrality over the Russian military operation in Ukraine may also have implications for its reputation as a global business hub. Already, the Financial Action Task Force (FATF), an international money laundering watchdog, has placed the country on a grey list for increased monitoring. Crypto exchanges globally have been implementing the sanctions. Meanwhile, the crypto industry has persisted in allaying concerns that digital assets can be used to evade sanctions. In educational efforts, market participants including Coinbase's CEO, Brian Armstrong, have noted that the transparency of blockchains made the crypto a poor choice to be used in evading sanctions. Crypto exchanges have also been playing their part. Binance and Coinbase have revealed that they are cooperating with authorities to ensure that no Russian that is to face sanctions can use their exchanges. Coinbase recently revealed that it had compiled a sanctions list which it checks transactions against. And last news today about EU to vote over crypto POW ban on Monday. The bill allowing European Parliament to ban cryptocurrencies using the proof of work (POW) mining, including Bitcoin (BTC), has made its way back into the draft. As per latest reports, the EU Parliament will vote over it on Monday. Earlier, the bill was removed from the markets in crypto assets (MiCA) proposal, facing backlash from the crypto community. The EU will vote on two POW ban bills. Patrick Hansen, head of strategy and growth at Unstoppable Finance, dropped some important updates regarding the addition of the bill. He informed that there are two alternative bills that will be presented in the parliament. However, only one of them will make it to the regulation. Crypto's origin Bitcoin Trust as a Bitcoin ETP has also failed. The SEC letter published on February 8 pointed out that the exchange has not met its burden to demonstrate the fund is designed to prevent fraudulent and manipulative acts and to protect investors and the public interest. Although proposals of Bitcoin spot ETPs have never been approved by the SEC, and such products are not available in the US market, they do exist in the European market. By investigating the prices of ETPs traded in the European market, one could gain a good insight into whether fraudulent and manipulative acts are possible. To investigate whether the SEC's concerns of fraudulent and manipulative acts are justifiable, this article will compare the historic prices of 3 European listed ETPs and the Bitcoin spot price history from 18 exchanges to see if there are any significant price disparities that could induce market manipulation. The SEC's primary concerns. There were two major concerns raised by the SEC from a technical perspective towards BZX. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony Course Forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0. 25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and